In this video, we are going to see what an IELTS listening test consists of. The main aim of this part of the test is to assess if a person can interpret and receive messages in the English language effectively or not. For this, the test is divided into 4 parts or 4 sections as it was earlier called. The first 2 parts are based on social needs of a person, whereas the next 2 are more academically oriented. The first part is a conversation of 2 people on general situations, on daily life situations, like inquiring about a room in a hotel or inquiring about joining a book club. The second section consists of a monologue. It can be a short talk on how to plan a diet or what to do and what not to do on a mountaineering trek. The next, which is the third part, is again a conversation, but it can be among 2 to 3 people or maybe 4, and it is about an academic topic. It can be a conversation between a tutor and the students or 4 students talking about an academic topic. The fourth or the last section is again a monologue or a talk or a speech, but on academic or educational contexts. It can be a talk or a speech on, say, fossil fuels, on climate change, etc. Now, these 4 parts consist of 40 questions in total, and each section has 10 questions each. 1 mark is awarded for every correct answer. However, the mark will not be given if there is a spelling or grammatical mistake while writing it. Also, it has to be remembered that the audio goes on for 30 minutes, and it is played only once during the time period. After the test is taken, the candidate is provided with extra 10 minutes to transfer the answers from the question sheet that they had written while they were taking the test to the answer sheet that has been provided to them. Also, the accent of the audios can range from Australian to British to American English in all these sections. That was all for the listening module. Thank you.